King of glory, King of peace, I will love thee, and that love may never cease. I will move thee. Thou hast granted my request. Thou hast heard me. Thou dost note my waking breast. Thou hast spared me. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings.
So juice we prepared. Thank you for watching. I love you. Please do watch my video for me, please. Anytime I upload video, please remember to watch for me. I'm begging you. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalker vibe. Please do watch my video for me. Do watch my video for me. If you don't want to watch my video, go and watch it. I love you.
Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, early in the morning, our song shall rise to thee.
These are our ingredients for orange juice. A portion so that we can eat with our indomie. Orange juice, orange juice. Let me show my face so that the algorithm will face me. To make orange juice, a portion of orange juice. A portion of orange juice. Banana. This is my grapes. It's already green. You understand? Very belly. Let me stand that thing where. Strawberry. So let me add water and calm. This is water. I'm adding a little milk. This is water milk, so that the thing can be tasty. It's done. Hey, get. No chi, you do also. So this is the juice we prepared. Thank you for watching. I love you. See that
every day my recipe is very simple, that when you do it, it will not cost you any amount of money, and also is very, very cheap. And you can learn something from this short recipe on how I prepare my juice, strawberry, berry, milk, and I drop a little lemon juice on it. You see, the name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Not giving up. Yeah, I'm not giving up. Although YouTube is becoming unbecoming, but I'm not giving up. You understand? Yeah, there's no way I Bediana will give up. Never. What will be, will be. No shaking. We don't fear. You understand? What will be. Yeah. Every day and night, different things happen in life. You see, it tells you that you have to face something before you get there. Yeah. So we are not going to give up. Yeah, we are not going to give up. Even they delete it, crap, we will still learn our correction and do the right thing. You understand? Yeah. But that doesn't mean that we should always repeat the mistake we always punished for. Yeah. YouTube, dear, every day good things happen. Yeah. But you should not, give up. No, don't even try of giving up. No. Don't try to give up. Don't let anyone use fear and panic on you. We are not going to give up. Never and ever. Someone like me to give up. No. Me, I will not give up. Yeah. So let's vibe with our fruit juice and our fruits here. We are not going to give up. You understand? Yeah, we are not going to give up. We will do it every day. So what I'm telling you is, don't give up. Don't let anyone scare you with, hey, you will be deleted, you will be copyright. Hey, follow your heart. Do what you are doing. Simple. If what you are doing is the correct thing, do it. If you need answers from somewhere, go and look for answers. Don't listen to negative vibes every day to grow your YouTube channel. And listen, do the right thing. Obey by the rules and the guidelines. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Now we day here.